done by. Hi, welcome to our electromagnetic theory course. In today's class, we will discuss about one problem based on Maxwell's first equation, that is del dot D is equal to rho v. Okay, in this question they are asking, if D equal to Z into rho into cos square pi Az, calculate the charge density at 1 comma 5 by 4 comma 3 and the total charge enclosed by the cylinder of radius 1 meter with minus 2 is less than or equal to Z is less than or equal to 2 meters. Okay, first of all write the given data. Solution, given data D is equal to what? Z into rho into cos square pi A Z, means D is functions of rho Z pi. Rho pi Z means these are the cylindrical elements, means D is represented in cylindrical coordinate system. It has only one component along Z direction. Az is the unit vector along Z direction. Now calculate charge density at this point. We need to calculate the charge density at 1 comma 5 by 4 comma 3, means what? We need to determine what? Rho v at this location. And another one is what? And the total charge enclosed by that cylinder of radius 1 meter with Z variables are like this, means what? Rho variable we can take 0 to 1 meter, okay, and Z variable is like this, and pi variable is what? 0 to 2 pi. We know that what? Okay, or else, so we need to, first of all we need to determine what? Rho v from D. What is the relationship between rho v and D? We know that del dot D equal to rho v, or else rho v equal to what? Del dot D. Okay, now we can go for what? Del dot D formula. So therefore it implies rho v equal to what? Del dot D. So we need to write the formula del dot D in cylindrical coordinate system. In cylindrical coordinate system we have the formula. Okay, so what is that? It can be written as what? 1 by rho dou by dou rho of, except first element, we need to write the remaining two elements. What are they? So second, that is H2, okay, or else del dot D formula is what? 1 by rho, or else first I will write this one, that is 1 by H1 H2 H3. Please go to this H1 H2 H3 elements, and here we can write what? That is dou by dou rho of H2 H3 d rho plus dou by dou pi of, as it is second element, H1 H3 d pi, and last element, that is dou by dou z of H2 H3 dz. For cylindrical coordinate system, H1 equal to what? 1, and H2 is what? H2 means pi element, pi is angle made by rho, so that's why like this, H2 equal to rho, and last one is what? H3 is 1. Now substitute this one. By substituting this we will get what? First, right, we know that del dot D is like this, therefore we can write del dot D as what? Del dot D 1 by H1 H2 H3 means 1 into rho into this one, that means 1 by rho. Here H2 H3 means what? That is H2 rho, H3 is 1, means we can write this one formula as what? 1 by rho dou by dou rho of rho into d rho, and second element, what is the second element? 1 by rho, okay, 1 by H1 H2 H3 is what? 1 by rho into dou by dou pi of, that is dou d pi by dou pi, and last one is what? Plus 1 by rho, okay, I will write this second one is what? 1 by rho dou d pi by dou pi, and last one, that is 1 by H1 H2 H3 is what? 1 by rho, and H2 H3, that is dou by dou z. H2 H3 means rho into 1, that is rho dz. Finally we got this one like this. It implies what? as d rho element is 0, d is, we have d along, from this we can write d rho is 0, d pi is also 0, and dz is, what is the dz? We have the component along z direction. Dz is nothing but what? Z rho cos square pi into az, means dz is z rho cos square pi. So that's why this can be written as what? As d rho is 0, this component becomes 0, this component becomes 0. Now we can write, it implies rho v is equal to what? Simply 1 by rho, this rho, this here partial differentiation with respect to z means rho treated as constant. Finally we can write this one as what? Dou dz by dou z. Now let us substitute that one. So that equal to what? Dou by dou z dz. What is the dz? Dz component, here we have z rho, d has only z component, that is z rho cos square pi. Now perform the partial differentiation, we will get, okay, we can go here. Now I will go here. Let us substitute that one, what? That is rho v is what? After simplification we will get the partial differentiation with respect to z means rho is constant, cos square pi is also constant, partial differentiation with respect to z, that is 1. Okay, it is rho v equal to what? Rho into cos square pi. But they asked what? Rho v at 1 comma 5 by 4 comma 3 is given by. That means what? This is the rho value, this is the pi value, this is the z value. Therefore rho v at 1 comma 5 by is rho v equal to what? Rho value is 1 into rho into cos square pi. So that is 1 into cos square pi, that is cos pi by 4, cos square pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So that's why it is equal to what? 1 into 1 by root 2 whole square. 1 by cos pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2. As it is square, we will get like this. So that equal to what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 rho v. The units of rho v is what? 1 by 2 means it can be written as what? 0.5. The units of rho v is what? Coulomb per meter cube. Therefore rho v value is what? I will write this one here. Rho v value is what? Rho v equal to what? 0.5 coulombs per meter cube. Rho v value is what? Coulombs per meter cube. And they asked another thing, charge enclosed by that cylinder, okay, with radius 1 meter, of radius 1 meter, with z equal to what? Z is a variable from -2 to, we know that q equal to what? Integral rho v dv. Okay, d is given in cylindrical coordinate system. What is the dv? And dv is what? So differential element along rho direction is d rho, along pi rho d pi, along z dz. So if I multiply this one, we will get what? Rho d rho d pi dz. So this is the dv. Therefore q equal to what? Integral. So as it is volume integral, okay, let us write like this. That is rho v is what? Already we determined rho v as what? 0.5. Okay, and it can be written as what? Dv can be written as what? Rho d pi dz, as it is volume integral. So that is triple integral. Okay, volume means triple integral. So 0.5 is constant. We need to perform the integration with respect to rho pi z. Volume means triple integral. So let us separate rho component, pi component and z components. So with respect to rho means rho components, rho d rho, and with respect to pi means only we have this okay, sorry for this. Actually, so this is rho v at this point, but we require what? Q for the given rho v. Q for the given rho v. So this is nothing but what? Rho d pi dz. Okay, this is the rho v. They asked rho v at this one, and they asked what? Charge enclosed by the cylinder with charge density rho v equal to what? Rho v is a function of rho cos square pi. Okay, we need to substitute rho v as what? Rho cos square pi. It is the value what? Rho v at the particular point, but we require what? Charge enclosed by the cylinder. So suppose let us consider a cylinder like this. Okay, we need to find charge enclosed by this cylinder, but they asked what? This one is nothing but what? Charge density at the particular point. We have different points in this cylinder. Okay, we require charge enclosed by this cylinder. In this cylinder we have the charge density of what? Rho v, like this, that is rho cos square pi. So that's why we need to substitute rho v as what? And rho v dv is this one. Rho v is what? Rho into cos square pi. Rho into cos square pi. Now let us substitute that one in the expression of q. So that is q equal to what? Actually we have triple integral. Volume integral means a triple integral. Integration with respect to rho pi z. So that is what? Z is varied from -2 to +2, and pi is varied from, so the limits of pi is 0 to 2 pi, and what about rho value? Rho is 0 to 1. Rho is 0 to 1. Now rho v, what is rho v? Rho v is can be written as rho cos square pi, rho cos square pi. And what about dv? dv is rho into d rho d pi and dz. Now let us simplify this part. Means what? We need to write the rho terms at one place to perform the integration with respect to rho, and next pi terms, next z terms. Okay, so let us go for rho. So rho is varied from where to where? It implies q is equal to, rho is varied from where to where? 0 to 1. So a cylinder of radius 1 meter with radius 1 meter. So that's why rho is varied from 0 to 1. What are the rho components? Here I have, okay, this is rho and here also rho. So that is rho into rho, rho square into d rho. Next go for pi terms. So we have cos square pi into d pi. So pi limits are 0 to 2 pi, and last one is what? Z. So what about z? Rho d rho is that is rho square d rho and cos square pi, and last one is dz. So that is z is varied from -2 to, z is equal to -2 to +2, and here we have dz. Now simplify this one. This can be written as what? Rho cube by 3. So limits are from 0 to 1, and cos square pi. So that can be written as what? 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, if you simplify this one, or else the simplification of this one gives what? Pi. Please simplify this one, that is integral cos square pi, limits are from 0 to 2 pi, gives pi, and integral dz gives what? That is 4. So now here we have what? That is 1 by 3. Integration differentiation cancel, that is 2 minus of -2, that gives 4. So finally we will get what? This is 1 by 3, and here we have pi, and here 4. So finally we got 4 by 3 into pi coulombs. So this is charge enclosed by the cylinder of radius 1 meter with z variable from -2 to +2. Okay, you may have doubt how we got this integral cos square pi d pi as. We have, that is cos a plus b is nothing but what? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So let us go for like this, that is cos theta plus theta. So that can be written as what? Cos square theta, here minus sin square theta, and here we can write this as what? Cos 2 theta cos square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta. So this can be written as what? 2 cos square theta minus 1. So that means cos square theta can be written as what? From this cos square theta can be written as what? It becomes 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So this is cos square theta, means cos square pi. Therefore this integral cos square pi d pi can be written as what? Integral, of course pi is varied from 0 to 2 pi. Let us go for this one. Next, cos square pi. So cos square theta means here it can be written as 1 plus cos 2 pi by 2. into d pi. Limits are from pi equal to 0 to 2 pi. So 1 by 2 is common to all, and here so integral d pi, that gives what? Pi is varied from 0 to 2 pi, plus integral cos 2 pi. Okay, 1 by 2 is common to all, and integral cos 2 pi is nothing but what? Sin 2 pi divided by 2. Okay, now we have what? That is again 0 to 2 pi. Now this can be written as what? 1 by 2 pi 2 into 2 pi, and sin 2 pi means sin 4 pi is 0, sin 0 is 0, so that is plus 0. So finally this one 1 by 2 into 0, of course it is 1 by 2 into 0. So this is 0, and this 2 cancelled. Finally we got this value as what? Pi. So that's why here integral cos square pi d pi value equal to pi. Okay, of course integral dz is z, so the z limit is from z is minus 2 to plus 2, that is 2 minus of minus 2, that gives 4. Okay, this is pi rho square, that means 1 by 3 minus 0. Upper limit, for the upper limit 1 cube by 3, that gives 1 by 3 minus 0. So finally we got 4 by 3 pi coulombs. This is the q, and rho v is what? We got rho v as what? At the particular point 0.5 coulombs, or else rho v, general rho v is what? Rho cos square pi. Okay, this is all about today's class. So this is the problem based on what? Maxwell's first equation. By using Maxwell's first equation, we can find first what? Rho v, that equal to what? Del dot d, and from rho v we can find, and this, from this we can find q equal to what? Integral rho v dv. Based on these formulas, okay, we have one previous IES question based on this concept. So that is del dot d equal to rho v and q equal to integral rho v dv. I will give that question as assignment. Thank you.